Hey everyone, Annalie with Motleys here, and I'm here to tell you guys about a spacious 7-bed, 6-bath mountain home in Wintergreen Resort, Virginia. The opening bid for this property is only $225,000. It's a potential income-producing property, and it's also selling fully furnished. Home amenities include a finished basement and a wood-burning fireplace, and resort amenities include golfing, outdoor adventure center, indoor and outdoor swimming, hiking, casual and upscale dining, and of course, more. You can bid online Monday, September 7th from 2:30 p.m. all the way through 2:30 p.m. Thursday, September 10th. Head over to motleys.com/real estate to see all of our other real estate listings and, of course, to bid online on this property. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you around. Do you know what I mean when I say that? Resort. The opening bid for this house is only $225,000. And the Hey everyone, Annalie with Motleys here, and I wanted to tell you guys about a super gorgeous, I didn't know what to say. I felt weird saying just spacious. Yeah. The opening bid for this house is only $225,000. It's also got potential income producing It's also a great potential income producing property. It has also, wow, what did I write?
Okay,
Hey everyone, Annalie with Motleys here, and I'm here to tell you guys about a really nice, spacious, 7-bed, 6-bath, It has great potential income producing potential.